this way. When using a Band-Aid, you are covering up the problem area without knowing what's underneath. Sometimes there can be a wound that becomes severe. By tearing it off, you would see that cut and treat it. With a roof tear-off, when the old materials are removed, you'll have a clean deck that allows you to see more easily any potential problems. If there is reason to believe that there is damage beneath the shingles, it is generally a good idea to tear them off. If the old roof is still in place, it's more difficult to know what's underneath. There may be problems with the old roof. The deck could have rotted wood or cracked boards. Also, if the deck is not sound, it may not hold the nails as well. Any of these could telegraph through the new roof and make the finished job look bad. So it's not just the look of the roof, it's the performance that also may be affected. Remember, cedar shakes, tile, and slate roofs must always be torn off before installing asphalt shingles. They are just not the right surfaces.
Here are some suggestions for removing old asphalt or wood shingles. Professionals will use specially designed. It's better to use good tools because the tear-off will go quicker and easier. Use a pry bar to carefully remove galvanized soil stacks and vent flashing. Remove all debris and waste materials from the deck and then sweep it clean. On most roofs, it's better to start removing the shingles at the ridge or the top of the roofing area. Otherwise, the debris may fall through the open sheathing and into the house, where it could cause additional cleanup problems. Fill in any empty spaces with new boards to provide a continuous smooth nailing surface for the new asphalt shingles. Another option is to apply a new approved deck sheathing. If the deck needs replacing, use either high-quality exterior-grade plywood, sheathing boards, or the Engineered Wood Association approved exterior grade non-veneer structural panels. When installing plywood, be sure to have a 1/8 inch space between the seams over the rafter boards. This space allows for plywood expansion movement over the seams. Sometimes plywood can move enough to create a buckle that will push up roofing materials. Make sure the decking you install is dry. Failure to use dry materials can result in deck movement that will distort the overlying roofing materials.